insert a triangle, press shift while dragging so that you get a perfect triangle, rotate it, go to format and remove the outline, make it to no outline. Now insert a circle, press and hold Ctrl plus Shift to create a perfect circle. Place it on the top of the triangle in such a way that the edges align. I'm just making minor tweaks to make sure the edges are perfect. Now go to format and remove its outline as well. Now select both the shapes, go to format, merge shapes and union. So now you have one single shape. Now let's move to the next step. Insert another circle on top of the shape we have. Change its color to any color you like, doesn't matter. Just to make sure that we can see that. Remove the outline. Align the circle to the center of the shape. Make the circle smaller or larger depending upon your preference. Now select both the shapes, go to format, merge shapes and subtract. Here you go. You have the location pin ready. You can change its color as per your requirements. Make it bigger or smaller and use it as you like.